So yeah, he's the right kind of player coming through.
And he's an outside half wearing a bit of tape around his ears. Huge respect. And a great nudge as well from Will Reid. The opening points of the first game. Oh, Sam Costello's aim. First attempt. That's like one of my golf shots. Nice bit of fade on that one. First job, win the line. Sam Lucy up in the middle. Oh, they look to set this one. Ryan Elias will get his hands back on the ball. Good counter initially from the Dragons. But here come the Scarlets. Kemsley Mathias has it. Can he get it down? Has he landed on his own player? You know what? I think he has. Craig Evans frantically looking for a touchdown.
Okay. Okay, Keith. Coming to you.
Okay, Craig.
I got on-field decision try because I have the ball on the ground. I just want to check whether there's a knock-on. Try out to that grounding, please.
Okay, on-field decision try. Checking for no.
And
yeah,
now
Craig.
it's a
So
7
there
points.
is no reason to disallow stay on-field decision try.
Well, there we have it. We got there in the end. A try for Kemsley Mathias.
Brodie is a solid little player. Again, someone's broke on the scene this year. He's nailing his darts, and he's a good carrier around the park. Really good, aggressive little player.
Oh, massive hit there. I just hope that Aneurin Owen is okay.
It's indirect. It's an accident. It's a rugby collision.
You know, Eddie James gets a yellow card there. I've got to disagree with it a little bit because he's done everything right in preparing for the tackle. Rather sliding. Here comes Gareth Davis. He's caught there. He had to play the ball. Johan Nicholas. Sam Lucy out the back door. Johan Lloyd to Tommy Lewis. He's got some gas on the outside. Inside him is Dan Davis. Dan Davis is going over for a second for the Scarlets. Came from a solid scrum. A break by Gareth Davis. At the moment, driven back in the tackle. He's thrown the intercept. And Tommy Lewis is going to counter in his third try in 3 games for the Scarlets. And they now, after 3.5 minutes of the second half, are in complete control of game 1 in Judgment Day. It's not gone forward, I don't think. And Sam Costello reacts. He slips, offloads to Kieran Hardy. Numbers for the Scarlets. Simple hands needed. Simple hands delivered. Hand is in the air. A try, a second for Tommy Lewis. We might see the incident of the knock-on again, but at the moment, it's a 4th try, a bonus point try for the Scarlets. It's a penalty advantage. Not what you want, your 10 in there. And Westwood carries. Steph Hughes. Oh, lovely ball on the outside to Rosser. And that's Sio Tompkinson scoring out wide. Another one departing Welsh rugby, but he crosses for his 2nd try of the season.
Set! Steady it up. Keep it up.
Played quickly, and Sio Tompkinson is in for a second in the same corner. Solid platform to attack from for the Dragons, and they cross for a second. Is there life in this game?